Hi, second grade. It's Miss Giannino, and today we are going to be working on day 11, math. So if you have a packet, a learning packet from the district or from school, you can follow along where it says math, day 11. So we're going to be right here. Today is the first day of a new learning for math, and so we are going to be starting a unit on measurement. So we're going to be starting learning about measurement, or how to figure out how long or how tall or how wide different things or objects are. And to do that, we're going to use a variety of tools. If we were in the classroom, we might use a ruler or a yardstick. Today, we don't have those things at this moment, so we are going to use things that we have around our house or parts of our body. So read along with me. Again, we are in this box right here. Okay, the width of a quarter and the first knuckle on your thumb are about 1 inch long. So it's telling me that I could use a quarter, which I don't have right now, or I could use my thumb to measure things that are about 1 inch long. It tells me to use a quarter or your thumb knuckle to find 3 objects that are about 1 inch long. Draw and label the objects in your math journal or on paper. Okay, so I can use my thumb to measure. Now on the next part it says, from your elbow to your fingertips is about 1 foot long. Use this part of your arm to find 3 objects that are about 1 foot long. Draw and label the objects in your math journal or on paper. So it's telling me that I can use my arm to measure objects that are about 1 foot long. So first I'm going to start with inches, or with my thumb. It tells me that this is about 1 inch long, this part of your thumb. So I'm going to look around my room right now and see if I can find any objects that are about 1 inch long, and I'm going to use my thumb to measure them. Okay, so I have a bunch of different markers and pens and things here. I'm going to use my thumb and look at them. So let's look at this one first. Here I am lining up my thumb with this marker cap. And I see that I'm supposed to stop it here. This is about 1 inch. And this seems a little bit longer than my thumb. So this is more than 1 inch, and I'm not going to use that one. Let's look at this one. This one is shorter. It's a different kind of marker. And if I look, it looks like my thumb about lines up with the top and about lines up with the bottom. So I would say that this marker cap is about 1 inch. Now what I'm going to do is, in my notebook, I'm going to write math, day 11. So I can keep track of my work, just like this, math, day 11. And then it tells me that I need to draw and label my object that is 1 inch. So right here, I'm going to draw what I see. So here is my little cap of my marker. All right, there's my drawing of my marker cap. Now it says I need to label. So I've drawn it, now I need to do the label part. So I'm going to label what it is. It's a marker cap. And then I need to tell how long it is, what the measurement is. So it's 1 inch long. So I have my drawing, and I have my label of what it is and how long it is, or its measurement. Now I would do that again 2 more times so that I have a total of 3 objects that I have measured. I'm going to let you explore your house or your room or your workspace so that you can do that part on your own. Then you're going to do the same thing, but with your arm, to measure a foot. So it says my arm from my fingertips to my elbow is about 1 foot long. Now, you're a kid and I'm an adult, and my arm is a lot longer than yours. So on an adult, I would say that a foot would be from about here to here, from about my wrist to my elbow. For you, it's going to be your fingertips to your elbow. Now, looking around my room again, I'm looking at this. Now I'm going to hold it up and I'm going to see that is not long enough to be a foot. So this is not going to work. What about this marker? No, I need something bigger. What about this? Oh, look at that. This goes from about my elbow to my wrist, or it would probably go from your elbow to your fingertips. that measures about 1 foot. So this book is about 1 foot long. I'm going to draw it in my math notebook. Okay, here's my drawing of my book. Then I'm going to label it book, and then I'm going to label the measurement. So we said it went from here to here on my body, so it was about 1 foot. There's what I have in my notebook. I would do that 2 more times for a total of 3 objects. When you're done, you should have 6 objects drawn in your notebook. 3 objects that are 1 inch long and 3 objects that are 1 foot long. Then when you're done, you're going to go to page 5 in your packet and complete the exit ticket for day 11. When you're done with that, you can check back in the Google Classroom because we will have a video posted to go over the exit ticket and make sure that you get feedback so that you keep growing your brain. All right, I hope you learned a lot and you're excited to go around your house and measure things, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.